here it is. I don't know if this is focused or not. There's the spoon, there's the tractor, there's the Celtic knots, there's the sheep, more Celtic, the dragon. Now, I asked myself, where am I going to put the date? Well, guess what? I forgot. So, I believe it can go around there, or it can go around here when I get all this cut out. So I'm going to video a little bit of the scroll saw. I'm not going to well, no, I probably will video it all. However, it's going to be on Mickey Mouse speed, or Benny Hill, one or the other, because that is going to take me forever. I am not that great with that thing. We'll see. Okay. This is where I am. And I don't know if you can see this or not, but here's the scroll saw, and I am definitely not very good at it yet. However, I will be. So, here's the dragon, there's the sheep, here's the tractor. Maybe look from the other side. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna need way more blades than this. I have broken, I don't even know how many right now, but a couple. Okay, that's that. Hey Tubies, there's been a little delay in this wood carving. So what I did, I had that nice piece of mahogany, remember? And I drilled it, I cut it, it looks pretty good. However, I don't know what kind of wood this is, but it's not carving the way I want it to carve. So, this one, gone. Here's my next one, already done. However, I'm going to use a different type of wood, because I don't have another piece of mahogany. And I'm just going to stain it mahogany. But, if you can see, it's bigger too. I mean, who doesn't need a bigger spoon? Everybody. So, I don't know if you can see it, but here it is. There's the little heart. Here's the tractor. Here's the sheep. And of course the good old red dragon. Now, I'm going to get on the skill saw and just zippy this out, but you're going to see it fast speed, you know, like Benny Hill, and hopefully I can find some Benny Hill music and we'll put that on there, because I'm not very good at this saw yet, so it's better you see it, you know what I mean?